What's good, Poland Power? Ready to hit some losses? That's bro, chill. My NGA, chill. My NGA. We're gonna win, bro. Like, like it's actually gonna be crazy, bro. Like, bro, it's easy. Trading is easy, bro. Trust. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, you guys can't even see it. Hold up. Let me change this to ES. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and alright, this is easy. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys my trading strategy. You know, I watched Powell's video. You know, like I have all the Powell leaked videos here. Like I watched some of it. Let me see if I got. Wait, where's that at? Oh wait. Like I have all the I have all this shit. Alright? I have all this shit. All the Powell leaked videos. I have it. Okay? Watch some of it. Alright? Watch some of it, right? We got the opening gaps. Like, let's see. Yeah, bro. I got all the fucking sauce. I watched a little bit of it. Let's get right to it. Like, I would, but like... Oh, wait, wrong thing. But all you gotta know, it's literally just rejection blocks. Alright? It's just rejection blocks. So I'm gonna show you guys right here. So go in the 4 hour. Find out if you're bullish or biased, or bullish or bearish. Right now, I'm currently bullish. I'm looking for this high as my drawn liquidities, right? So go on the 15-minute time chart. Look for a bullish rejection block, right? So what does that mean? Look for a rejection block. That's so like so basically this is it. So let's say you have buy side liquidity resting right here, right? Price has to sweep this buy side liquidity without breaking the low, and the candle that swept it has to be a bullish candle. Enter up 50% mark of the rejection block and target higher prices. That's literally all that is. It's all that is. Rejection blocks. So, and like key openings, all this shit, but we're not using all that. All right, let's go here. Paranoid. I'm bullish bias, by the way. Like this rejection block, right? If we sweep out this low, bullish candle, that would look good. So it's not right, it's not a bullish, so we're not taking this rejection block. You know where? So look, see how it failed? We're just looking for buy side liquidity swept. No, we're just waiting. This candle turns green or yellow. So no, I wouldn't take this. All right, we just wait. We're just waiting for a bullish rejection block. So right here, this is a bullish rejection block on the lower time frame, right? We have SMT here. Go on the 5-minute. We should be fine here. Let's see. Go ahead and do this 10-point stop. Let's see what happens here. Advanced account also 20%. Oh no. Oh, I messed up. I have to change the thing. I forgot to change it. There we go. This is the 15-minute time frame. Let's see what happens. See, like bullish rejection block here, right? Bullish rejection block. SMT dropped down to 1 minute. Look, see how it kind of like bottom tick this with a 10-point stop. So now what are we doing? We're targeting internal liquidity. So like this high is internal liquidity. Or what you can do is target 20 points. Because like that would be like a RR2. So like what we can do here is like go break even after this high is taken out. Okay, so this high is taken out, right? Boom, break even. You could take a partial here, but it's literally a 1-to-1, so we just wait. We could get stopped out here. Yeah, we get stopped out here. Look at that. Beautiful. That's literally it. Is Powell's thing? It's just 10-point stop loss. Because like, if we're entering off a rejection block is like we're entering a 50% mark of the rejection block, right? So then 10-point stop loss does make sense because you're expecting that rejection block to hold. That's not a good setup, bro. It was fine. It was fine. Yes, bro. Powell's like, bro. Leaked videos, key opens. We got like psychology videos, opening gaps, top-down analysis, weak theory, bro. But all that is just rejection blocks. See how we would have caught the bottom here, or kind of, or no, we would have got stopped out. But then thing is, it's all about rejection blocks. It's all about rejection blocks. It's all about rejection blocks. Rejection blocks. I ain't trying to play these games no more. But the thing is, like, you need to have like a higher time frame draw on liquidity first, right? So I go on the 4-hour. I'm like, okay, look, highs and lows get taken out, yes or no? Lows are getting respected. I'm anticipating this draw on liquidity. So I'm going on the 15-minute. I'm waiting for a 15-minute candle. So I'm just waiting. So I'm waiting for like a CRT. So basically, look. See how this right here? We sweep out the low here. This is a nice rejection block, right? PD array, 15-minute fair value gap. 15-minute fair value gap. This is CRT low. You could enter on 50% mark of this range and have a 10-point stop. Yup. Okay, hold up. 10-point stop. Okay, ready? Let's see if we get tagged. So we get tagged, right? We get tagged in this area of rejection, right? Rejection block, right? What we can do is target, have a 10-point stop loss. Target 2R. Let's see what happens. We can target first internal liquidity, right? Let's see what happens here. Oh, this is June 19th. This is June 19th, bro. Alright, this is chopped. This is a holiday. Yeah, this is a holiday, bro. This is a holiday. This is a holiday. This is a holiday. Hold up. I'll be right back. See how things like... I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. See how this is a nice rejection block right here? Rejection block. 50% mark. Stop loss. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. I'll be right back. I gotta go help my dad. I'll be nice. I'll be nice. I'll be nice. I'll give you guys a... What do you guys want to watch really quick? What Power video do you guys want to watch real quick? I'll be right back. I gotta go do something real quick. I'll keep you guys entertained. Fuck it. Fuck it. Hurry. Tell me. Hurry. No, stop. Okay. No, I can't. Weeks 3. No, stops. I put my stops. I'm not leaking anything. So, I'll be right back, though. I'll be right back. Powell week theory. I can't. Just play music? Alright, I'll just play music. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Just kidding. They're good. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. That was a holiday, so I guess it's kind of like I wouldn't have traded that day, realistically speaking. But all you really need to know is just rejection blocks. Yeah, I know. Rejection blocks is all you really need. That's how he captures his RR. Like, dude, I'm telling you, all you need is rejection blocks. But you need to have a higher time for draw liquidity first. Like right here, go on the 4-hour time chart. Are we rejecting highs or respecting lows? What are currently we doing? We are breaking through lows. But right now, we just rejected off this low right here. So now I'm looking for highs. I'm looking for longs. I'm bullish. Go on the 15-minute time chart. Let's see. Market opening. Right now, I'm not looking for anything. I'm looking... So, after each low is swept, I want to see the candle be bullish or bear. I want to see the candle be bullish if I'm if I'm bullish. Vice versa if we're bearish. If this candle turns bullish, oh nope. Oh gee, yeah, shit that they told me. If this candle turns bullish, I'm entering. What? 450? Bro, I'm about to leave soon. I'm leaving soon, bro. Perhaps. So look, so perfect right here. We have, this is our CRT, right? Higher type of PD ray, rejection block, bullish rejection block, right? So what are we doing? We could either enter our 50% mark of this range, which we can do. 10-point stop. You can target whatever. Let's see if price comes back down and takes out, sees it slow. We could just respect this, yeah. But let's see what happens. Let's hold it. Like right here, this would be a nice rejection block here also. I'll go ahead and enter here. And stop loss. This is another rejection block. And 10-point stop. Because we would have respected 50% mark of this range. Let's see what happens. Okay, we get stopped. Fuck. We get stopped. But we keep going. Let's see if this rejection block here holds. You could literally just fucking powder train this bullshit. It's probably gonna edge us here. Oh. Oh shit. Perhaps my draw on liquidity was wrong. Perhaps my draw on liquidity is just wrong. Turtle soup, it's basically like, it's basically just rejection blocks. Turtle soup is basically just rejection blocks. Bullish bias was right. We just started dumping here. No, trust. Like, we're just waiting for, like, Turtle Soups is, like, it's just rejection. Like, this is just as good, honestly. But then rejection blocks are just waiting for more, like, confirmation type shit. Alright, so right now, am I bullish or bearish? See how we're rejecting all throughout these lows right now? I'm going to wait for the next 4-hour candle. So right here, boom. We're sweeping lows. I'm anticipating highs. So I'm bullish bias going into the day. Look at that. Beautiful rejection block here. Let's see if we come back down. Okay, so it looks like we might come back down to this rejection block here. I want to see price reject off this level here. Stop loss will go here. Very volatile. So guess what? We get tagged into this rejection block. Alright, so what are we doing? Perfect. Rejection block. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Like right here, enter. Thing is, like, if we enter our 50% mark of this rejection block, our stop loss is like 20 points. But the thing is, like, 10-point stop loss is like kind of random in this scenario because, yeah, 10 points is here, but it's kind of random in this scenario. Let's see what happens. The thing is, like, most of Powell's people would have gone break even by now. They would have gone break even by now after seeing this reaction and targeted imbalances. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna go break even here. Let's see. Let's go in 2 minutes. There's no, like, this could be your breaker. We could target this breaker. I'm gonna go ahead and target this breaker here. No way we get edge us, bro. No way we just fucking edged me hard as fuck, man. We just get edged so hard. This take profit area. We just get fucking edged. Look at that, edged. I am still funded. I haven't taken a trade in solo. I haven't taken a trade this week. Bro, I got edged, bro. What am I supposed to fucking do? My NGAs, bro. My NGAs. What am I supposed to do? My NGAs. Bro, I'm convinced every day trader says the N-word. I'm convinced. You're not using it right, bro? Well, no, it's just rejection blocks, right? We do? Yeah, I know. Every day trader says, like, the N-word. No, but the thing is, like, it's just rejection blocks. Boom, rejection blocks. Like, we just couldn't get filled at this. We'll go again. We'll go again. We'll go again. We'll see what happens. I'm looking for, like, a bullish. Okay, perfect. Perfect, right? Rejection block here. If price comes back down to this 50% mark of this range, I'll go ahead and enter my longs. And then target whatever. I'm just going to leave my target like this for right now. Limit. See if we come back down to the rejection block. What we could do is we have a breaker here. A low, high. I mean, we can do is interrupt this breaker and have a 10-point stop. That would be like my first scenario here. 159. That could be my first area at this breaker, but it looks like we push up. Let's see what happens right here. We don't get tagged at the CE of this breaker, but we don't get tagged at the CE of this breaker. We just kind of edge us here. I'm just gonna yeah, no, we get edged here. Yeah, nah. See, look, we get edged here twice. I should have just got rid of this limit, but guess what? We come back down to rejection block. I'll go ahead and enter here and stop loss at this low. Right now, I'm just backtesting. I'm backtesting. I'm kind of seeing what the strategy is all about. I'm just kind of, bro. Listen. I'm just kind of backtesting this like rejection block theory, this breaker CE theory. Okay, so don't just chill. Right? I'm just backtesting. That's the whole point of backtesting. Rejection blocks, right? Look at that. We bottom tick this BS fucking rejection block, right? Bottom tick, consequent encroachment, CE, rejection block. What are we looking to target? My NGAs. Use 10 points and listen, bro. Thing is like, okay, listen, zero. I understand, but 10 points in this scenario is just like random, don't you think? Like 10 points is so random in this scenario. No, bruh. Okay, fine. Okay, 10 points. Right, it's a sensitive area. It should reject. Right. There we go. What are we targeting? We have a low. Wait, we have a high, low. Wait. There's no breakers here. We have a sweep. We have a low, high, lower, low. Wait, we have low, high. Wait, low, high. I can't comprehend. All right. I can't comprehend, my G's. I can't comprehend. Look at this bottom fucking tick, bro. Look at this bottom tick. I'm giving you this free sauce, my G. All right. We're targeting the next high. Targeting this next high. This internal high. Oh. Whoa. What are you guys targeting? CE and then targeting what? We see. Wait, no, bro. Listen, I'm backtesting, bro. The whole point is to backtest and figure out what you're doing wrong. You're swinging low. Oh, bro, no, bro, chill. No, trust. We can target internal. Like, bro, we'll trade right now, bro. Asia moves pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie. Asia moves pretty clean. No, I have this guy, dude. I joined this Discord. And bro, look, we have all of these bottom tickers, top tickers, all this shit right here. We have like Arzul, Boyd, Chase, Krim, Geo, H. I don't know, like James, and we have the Nasdaq Killer, Coup. And then we have like all your famous people, like bro, like we have Mario Trades, we have Rick, Tig, we have Tristan, and we have me. You have me, and you have me. And the thing is, like 6ix9ine mentioned, type shit. No, because I was in Tristan's server. And then I guess he deleted the server because he wanted to go do his mentorship or whatever. I don't need Palace Course, but watch, easy, right? What are we doing? What are we currently doing right now? We just currently swapped at the low, rejected off of it, right? So now I'm looking for potential highs. I'm looking for higher prices. That's my draw on liquidity. So let's see what happens. So this is a nice rejection block, but we don't. This candle's not bullish, so I don't want to take that at all. Even though it worked. So here we don't get what we want. No, we don't get what we want. If this candle turns bullish here, I'll take it, but vice versa with this one. Okay, perfect. We have SMT, fair value gap. Bro, this looks good. This is a nice rejection block here. Nice rejection block. Watch. This is going to work. CE. 10-point stop. Sensitive area, right? Sensitive area. Let's see if we get tagged here. Oh, we just dump. Oh, we just pump. I'm gonna wait here and see if we get another rejection block here. Okay, perfect. We get another rejection block here. Okay, perfect. We get another rejection block here. My draw liquidity hasn't been hit yet, so we have another rejection block here. 10-point stop. $939.75. Alright, let's see what happens. Let's see if we can get tagged at this rejection block here. Oh, market's closed. Oh my. Market's closed. That's on me. Bro, I know this works. How am I doing this so wrong? Use higher time for rejection blocks? Bro, 15-minute is higher time from rejection blocks. 15-minute is higher time for rejection blocks. I am not in Tristan's mentorship. Oh, wait, let me get rid of this. After a sweep. Yeah, but the thing is, no, the thing is, I see where you're coming from. I see where you're coming from. But what I'm doing is, if I'm just using it as a CRT. I'm just using it as a CRT, right? Because, if each candle's a range type shit, I'm just using it as a range to target higher prices. I know. Realistically, you want to see, a liquidity sweep here first. But I'm just using CRT as the range. This is the NASDAQ. No, I did watch the rejection block video. The markets are closed. I'm just backtesting right now. Watch. Okay, ready? Watch. We're rejecting off highs right now. We're rejecting highs. I'm looking for lower prices. This is my target. That's my draw liquidity. So now, going 15-minute time chart. Let's see. I'm waiting. Nothing here just yet. If this candle closes bearish, perfect. Closes bearish, SMT divergence, liquidity sweep, etc. Nice rejection block. But guess what? We do have a breaker here, right? A high, low, higher high. A high, low, higher high. This is the breaker. We can enter off CE of this breaker here on the 2-minute time chart. 10-point stop loss. Let's see how this breaker reacts to the CE of this wick. Okay, perfect. We get tagged, my guys. We get tagged in this breaker. So now what do we do? We can look to target this next inefficiency. We can target this next inefficiency. Hold on, my bad, guys. Sorry, bro. I gotta mute you, bro. I gotta mute you. Username not found 77. Bro, we don't go to swing low, bro. We don't go to swing low. Oh, thank God. I thought we were gonna go to swing low. Oh, okay. We're good. We're good. Now we tagged. Perfect. My NGAs, bro. My NGAs, perfect. This is perfect. Like, yeah. Bro, consequent encroachment of the breaker, bro. That's all that is. Consequent encroachment of the breaker, bro. Takes 75% of the position, bro. Target this low. Break even. Oh my gosh, we get stopped at a break even and we just dump. See, look, perfect, man. Thing is, like, we don't get this rejection block, right? We don't get sometimes, like, I saw the Pal's video was rejection blocks here. We don't always get. The thing is, he didn't say this on the video. You want to enter off 50% mark of the rejection block and have it like you want to enter 50% mark of the rejection block. Brother. Look at that. Draw liquidity could be correct. I don't know. Looks like it was just chopped most of the day, but theoretically, it would have worked. What is the goal in trading? What is the goal in trading, my G? What is the goal in trading? Make money. I just moved to swing. I just moved to break even, bro. Because, bro, I was risking 10 points and I made 20 points. And I took 75% off the position. All right, let's go again. What are we currently doing on the 4-hour? We are currently rejecting off this low. Where's my next draw on liquidity? This high. And obviously higher prices. So, let's go on 15-minute. This is a nice rejection block that hasn't been tagged in yet. And we have SMT at the lows too. So, this rejection block could be nice. This rejection block right here. So we get tagged of this. Okay, so we just end up opening and just taking out all these draws on liquidity. So go on the 4-hour time chart. I'm waiting to see what happens. So look at that. We are respecting highs. And now I would like to target lower prices. My bias has been shifted to bearish. So I'm bearish bias going now. We do have SMT at the highs here. And let's see what happens. Okay, perfect. A sweep of liquidity. Rejection block, CRT type shit. What we can do, since we don't have a breaker, I'll enter up like 50% mark of this rejection block here. Since we don't have a breaker here. And have a 10-point stop loss. Which I don't think we're going to get tagged in, but we'll see what happens here. So we end up just dumping lower. Yeah, we just end up just dumping lower here. Let's keep waiting here. Yeah, so we just end up dumping. See, look, I'm able to shift my bias to the right direction now. Now I am. About time, right? So if this candle closes bearish, I'll look for shorts here. Perfect. We have a high, low, higher high, sweeps out the liquidity. We have a breaker here. We could enter off 50% mark of this breaker and have a 10-point stop. And target lower prices, obviously. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we get tagged in this breaker. Now, let's see what happens. What are we looking to target? What are we looking to target, chat? Bro, we're not targeting highs, bro. We're not targeting highs. We're literally targeting shorts, bro. My stop loss is not gonna fucking get ran through. My target is not my stop loss, bro. You guys are fucking tripping. Yeah, the standard deviation of this leg. Perhaps. Let's see if we can get target this low. Perfect. We just inverse this motherfucking fair value gap. Oh, bet. Bet. Now, what are we doing? I mean, technically, we could target this low. That's my target right now. Perfect, Q. You are actually a fucking goat. You understand that? Yeah, you guys understand that? Like, bro. Oh, my neck. This is only 1R or 2R type shit. That's nothing, man. I'm taking profit. I'm taking a partial. Taking like half my position, like more than position. My 75%. I'm taking 75. I'm taking 75% off. Targeting negative 1 standard deviation. Oh, thank gosh. Thank gosh. Okay, look at that. We get stopped out. We would have got stopped out, but guess what? Break even. Is Keen server good? I don't know who that is. Gerp, he doesn't have one. Partial ski. Exactly. Thing is, like, I'm taking most of my positions off at like 20 points. And I'm risking 10. Again, what is market currently doing? We are currently rejecting off this high. So I want to see how this candle closes, right? If we sweep out this high, I'm anticipating lower prices. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so we end up breaking above this high. That's why we wait for candle closures, right? We're breaking above this high. So where's my next draw on liquidity? This high. So going 15-minute, I'm bullish bias. We have a nice clean rejection block here with SMT. So if price comes back down to consequent encroachment of this area, I'll take it. But bullish bias is it. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so we're coming down. We could look to target. We could look to enter our 50% mark of this rejection block. 10-point stop. All right, so now what we could do also is we have a breaker. We have a low, high, lower, low. This is also a breaker. I'm going to have another limit here and a 10-point stop. Because a breaker and my, yes, let's see what happens here. Because a breaker could hold. Let's see if we get tagged. Okay, so so our breaker got stopped. I don't know how we didn't get tagged here. Okay, so now our rejection block here is getting tapped. I want to see if price reject this. We could look to target this first imbalance here. Oh my gosh, man. Oh my. So we were bearish. Okay, so things like draw liquidity is so important, bro. Yeah, no, I saw that we were displacing lower. But draw liquidity is important as fuck. Get away from me. If I was you, I'm wrong. Just say to me. Smith's on my band, wanna lay with me. It's said a motherfucking gang, wanna play with me. Don't play with me, it's the only thing I love. I love, 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 love. I love. I love, 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 love. I love. Now, the rejection block is mechanical. It is mechanical. It's just like my withdrawal liquidity was wrong. That's all that was, bro. Yeah, drawn liquidity was just wrong. How do you guys find draws on liquidity? Come to VC 12S feet, bro. Chill. Inducement. Can you show this guy the server you just joined? The guy that, the thing is, the server, bro. The server is actually like these are like like the best like bottom top tickers. Like we have Arzel, Boy, Chase, 1, 2, 3, 4, Krim, Geo, Heaven, H, James, Nasdaq, Killer, Kutao. We have Morlance, Mario Trades, Noah, X, YBG, Yo G. We have Adam and Q, Amir, Aro, Biz, Cash, Dean, Face, J, Clue, KTYU, Leaf, Low, Luke, M, Mar, Mr. Judas. We have Nadine, OG right here, Nico, and all these other people, bro. We have Tig, Tristan the Wizard, everybody, bro. Bro, I heard Luck Trend is a scammer, bro. I heard Luck Trend is a scammer. Bro, I'm glazing, bro. Wait, isn't Luck Trend like Luke Trend a scammer? I'll send my bills. I'm gonna be like hope. Oh, he like dope. Yeah, I'm on my way. I'm gonna see my dope bash. All right, let's go here. All right, what are we currently doing? We're currently rejecting off this low here. So I'm bullish bias going today, right? And it looks like we have SMT at the lows too. So we're sweeping out lows, and I'm anticipating higher prices now. Since we've rejected off the low, I'm looking for higher prices. This is kind of like my draw on liquidity right now. So now, let's take it slow. Go on the 15-minute time chart. Let's go here. Let's see what happens. Play with me, but play with me. That's the only thing I love. I love. Okay, so it looks like we're displacing lower. Let's see what happens here. Let's go back in the 4 hours since we're rejecting off this low now. Depending on how we react off this low. So it's like we're sweeping out this low now. Perfect. I'm still bullish bias going to the day. This breaker is gonna be nasty. I wouldn't take this breaker. Opening price here should be, since this is the CISD, opening price should be like liquid. It should be not liquid. It should be sensitive. I'm not taking this. I just want to see what happens here. Yeah, sensitive, but I'm not. I'm just looking. So bullish bias was right. Bullish bias was right. I just couldn't get a fucking entry, my NGAs. Oh my gosh. Get on VC. Nah, bro, I'm not trying to get flamed. Honestly, just study phases of price delivery. That alone will help whatever you're trying. Study phases. We have accumulation, manipulation, expansion. There's one more. Just know how price rejects. You just know price rejects lows and takes out highs. It just did that. Wait, you know price reject lows and takes out. Exactly. That's all. Do you have ADHD? Bro, people say I do, bro. Wait, do I really? Do I really though? Do I really have ADHD? I don't even know what that means. Do I just move a lot? All right, go back in the 4 hour. Cause we're breaking above highs. I want to see lows get rejected. Go on the 15-minute time chart. One time from praying at my downfall. 2 times in the homies in the child hall. Let's see. 4 times on the days while y'all back. 5 times for the bitches ain't called back. 6 times for the kids like me with ADHD. Just a let's shift bias to bearish actually. I'm a motherfucking flight risk. Whoa. Damn, bro. My bias is just fucking wrong. Alright, perfect. Alright, I would have entered here. This rejection block. I would have entered shorts. Alright, let's see what happens. I missed the entry. The entry would have been like either 50% mark of this range or something, but I missed the entry, so let's just keep playing it out. That's bad time. Alright, let's target low prices. That's just fine. I know the 12th time. Hey, we don't notch to the same bloodline. It's touchdown. Okay, market's closed. But yeah, no, realistically, I would have entered here. I just went too fast. Rejection block 50% mark. You would have got tagged. Chased by the cops like a motherfucking outlaw. You would have got tagged here at this rejection block here. 10-point stop. You would have got tagged here regardless. I went too fast. Bro, I'm not capping. My NGA? I'm not capping. Nah, what's beef? Alright. We sweeping out highs. I'm anticipating lower prices. I'm bearish. Where's my draw? My draw on liquidity is this low. Let's see what happens here. Like ice. Trust me, I'm Louis Vuitton. You a tiger with your mom. I'm just waiting for a bearish. I'm just waiting for a bearish rejection block, bro. Bro, I'm missing the fucking. Bro, I'm chilling. I'm just backtesting. I'm just backtesting. Trust. Like right here, we rejected off this high. The baseline. I should have saw that. That's on me, bro. That's fucking on me, man. Alright, actually, okay, so bullish. Breaking above highs. I'm looking for longs. Oh, this is July 4th. Okay, next day. Alright, I am currently, depending on how we close above this high. Let's go on 30-minute. Bullish. Looking for longs. Bro, what? Honestly, let's see what happens here. Rejection of this low. I'll go ahead and enter here. Stop loss here. Watch. Oh. Bruh, you gotta be fucking with me, man. You actually gotta be fucking with me, man. Bro, how does that even happen? How does that even happen, bro? How does that even happen? Like, bro. That's actually so freaking weird, bro. I'm pissed. Bro, inverse for reg ups are for freaking losers, bro. Inverse for reg ups are for freaking losers. No, I'm playing. I'm playing. I'm just streaming, so like, I'm kidding, bro. We love inverse fair value gap people, bro. All right. Let's see how we react off this high. Okay, so guess what? We reject off this high. So I'm anticipating lower prices. I'm bearish bias going to the day. Or going in here. I'm bearish, bro. I'm bearish. High, low, high. This was our breaker type shit. This was our breaker. Actually, I'll go and insert here again. We wouldn't have gotten stopped out, honestly. No way. No way. I'm done. 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 I'm done trading. I am done. Bro. How does this even happen? Fry, bro. I actually had like the Wendy's Takis burger earlier. I don't know if you guys heard of it. The Wendy's Takis burger, bro. That shit was kind of ass. To be honest with you, that shit was kind of fucking ass. That shit was ass. Alright, okay, okay, let's actually lock in for real. Bro, no, bro, that Wendy's Takis. I broke your heart, huh? Hold up. Bro, I'm not showing the stats, bro. I'm not showing the stats, alright? Let's keep going. Alright, no, I got this. Alright, we're breaking above highs right now. I'm looking for this high as my drawn liquidity. If I can write. Alright, let's see what happens. Okay, let's see how this 4 hour okay. I like how we close above this high. So I'm still bullish bias going to the day. I'm still bullish. This got me crazy. All right, this rejection block should hold. It go like do re mi fa so. All right, this is our breaker though. I want to see price reject off this breaker first. If it doesn't, then I could look for the rejection block down here. This 50% mark rejection block. That's my next level. Wow. Okay. Hold up. Let's go one more try. Rejection block here. Alright, I'm done. Alright, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Hold on. Let's see what happens first. Okay, so my bias was just wrong. Bro, but how do you guys find bias so easily, bro? How do you guys find bias so easy? Like, even if you look here, bro. I mean, I'm looking at the daily, bro. Look at this. Like, we break up this high, like, bro, bullish price action. Like, bullish price action. Right? Yeah, hold up. Yeah. Like, bro, like, I'm about to eat dinner. Like, bros, I'm about to dip. I'm about to dip, bro. Gotta eat dinner. Nah, but it's sub liquidity. It doesn't have a active to be bullish yet. Perhaps. Join the VC. We'll show you again, bro. I'm scared. Well, until I see lows swept or create SMT, then I would look for longs. Thing is, like, we had SMT here. All right, let's show the stats really quick. I got a dip. I got my mom made dinner, so let's see. Bro, this is actually bad. This is actually bad. Bro, okay, you guys gotta chill. It's a work in progress with this rejection blocks. It's a it's a work, bro. It's a work in progress, bro. If you guys want to see the real if you guys want to see the real stats, bro, chill. KTZ will change me, perhaps. Like, bro, like, I haven't taken a trade all week. I haven't taken a trade all week because I'm a disciplined motherfucker. Okay. I am just a disciplined motherfucker. Okay, I haven't taken a trade all week because I'm disciplined. Yes, I have a funded account and I have 2 evals because I'm disciplined. I love it. Bro. How the fuck did you pass, bro? Thing is like, bro, bro, listen. Do you guys ever get this too? I would have a strategy, right? I would have a strategy, but then like I'll see a different strategy that here, I'll say this. Like, I'll have a strategy and then like that strategy doesn't pan out, but another strategy that I know would have worked in that scenario. So that's where like I always like get like confused, right? Because like there's I'll see a strategy here and I'll see like, because I've been through so many strategies, right? Like there's so many strategies. So I would have 2 strategies or multiple strategies. This first strategy would fail, but the other strategy would work. So that's where I fuck up, right? Because like I'll see like the strategy here, the rejection block work, but then like I'll always see like, oh, this turtle soup would work. It's just one of those things. Bro, KTZ is like we're hopping on a call tomorrow. All right, bro. Let's see. Like, how do you guys find like dude? I tried everything for bias, bro. It just doesn't ever fucking work. Like, it doesn't ever fucking work. Like bias, like I would literally go here, just like mark out the 1800 candle, like the true day opening, right? Look at that. What did we manipulate? Oh, we just stopped at this high, so I'm looking for shorts. Oh, boom, shorts, right? Yeah, shorts. I was looking for shorts, right? Let's see if shorts play out here. Okay, sure. Shorts play out here. But my point is, like my point is, like, right here. We'll go again. Shorts did play out there. Good shit. Like, right here, I'll mark out the 1800 opening. And I'll only look for a higher time for PDRs, like the 4 hour. Look at that. 4 hour. We sweep out internal range liquidity. Or we sweep out external. I'm looking for longs. Right? So I'll just be looking for longs here. Okay. The point is that, like, okay, longs work. Okay? Longs work. Okay, same thing. Next day, right? Finding bias is like, there's so many ways to find bias. There's so many ways to find bias to the point where it's like, one time, like, this strategy for bias will work. The other strategy, that bias won't work. So it's just like, it mixes up. So that's why I like fuck up sometimes. Like right here. Like, perfect. This is a great example. If you look here. Okay, we manipulate this 4 hour for value gap. So I'm looking for longs. I'll be looking for longs this day. Right? 4 hour for value gap. Looking for longs. Sure. Longs play out here. Sure. Longs played out here. Okay, next day. Finding bias. Finding bias is easy though. Like right here, 1800 opening. Right here, we have a nice rejection block. Nice clean rejection block here that we're tapping into. So right now I'm looking for longs. Okay. But guess what? We're tapping into 2 rejection blocks here, right? We have a rejection. So what would your bias be here? Bro, my fucking heel hit the bottom of my fucking chair and it hurt. Yeah, noodles are ready, bro. We're actually having pho right now. Things like, what's your bias here? Perhaps one strap could work. like right here, we're accumulating in this range. Like we're not tapping any higher time frame PD arrays. Oh wait, we have a daily volume balance here. Silly me. Longs. Oh, okay. See how like we fucked up right here, right? Market opened, and guess what? We just completely dumped. But guess what? We manipulated this daily fair value or daily volume balance here first, and yet longs didn't play out here. So I guess we'll go next day. Shorts played out. Shorts played out. Volume bounces are fucking real, bro. They're fake. All right, right here, 1800 opening. Look at that. We just completely dump, right? Completely dump. We don't manipulate anything in the higher time frame to go shorts. With this daily fair value gap, I'm looking for longs. Okay, so longs didn't play out here. So look at this. If each candle has an open low high close or open high low close, look at this, bro. We have no top tick or top wick, and we just completely dump. Like, bro, we should be looking for longs, right? It doesn't make any sense. We just completely dump. No top tick, top wick. There's no accumulation, no manipulation, there's no distribution. We just completely dump. So how the fuck are we trading that shit? I think your love will be too much. That's not a phase of price. Right, you're right. It just completely stumps. It's distribution. Like here, I would have been able to catch a long. Maybe here, probably. We would have got. Nah, we would have been fine here, actually. Nah, we would have got smoked. Alright, bet. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream here. I gotta dip. I gotta go eat. But other than that, we're coming back a different man tomorrow. New shot tomorrow. Alright, I'll see you guys all tomorrow.